was overexposed and was considered a point. That's when I started.
It was a joke on the
Again. Yeah, and then they did a great job too.
Yeah.
I hated how fucking good that was. Like,
going in the other direction, same spot.
On Cheers, a long time ago.
Oh, that guy's
in the
pissed.
80s or early '90s.
That guy is pissed. Really, dude? I'll be nice and let you in front of me so you can get on camera.
It was a perfect conversation with Ukraine president. That's the tweet.
Red light runner.
It was a perfect conversation with you.
C website, or I believe MapLight.
Red light runner. Another.
I think so.
Is essentially watching Trump lose it and go crazy, because if he's going to have to actually compete with Joe Walsh, this other gentleman, then he is going to be tweeting like, Joe Walsh is Deborah Messing. He is going to be going under attacks.
The road's closed, dude.
I think that
if I could fuck her in front of all of these passengers, they'll probably think I'm a terrorist. Eat my spirit. That was right up, way up there.
Pull up on your bitch like I'm fucking Matt Harvey. Gotta say sorry.
Really? Birnie Bus Service Inc. Come on. Oh, cuts off a cop. That's ballsy. Right lane must turn right.
Anymore in like journalism, and I have to think
that's
that I'm
straight
part of the
from
problem,
right
somebody like
turn
myself
only.
can reach so many people and not really read
Right?
anything.
Whoa! Why would you do that?
Came in there to get hit on, and they didn't want to see me coming over here with my fucking red afro.
Why aren't you going?
Overrated, underrated. Amphibian pets. It's expensive with your time. I mean, the amount of fucking time.
Jeez, how many people are gonna run?
And then you gotta.
And that guy's going straight for the left turn lane.
Out of there, and then
right?
Is this fish compatible with that fish? And what's on that thing's fucking face? And the way that they go after those giant goddamn bulls over there.
Douche.
You ever see that one?
Last second exit.
So the energy that got
someone
the
tried going
up there
through
in the, first
the
place
easy pass
is all
lane
solar.
without an easy pass.
Just think of hydroelectric as solar, as well as wind energy. Because wind.
What a douchebag. That lane ends. Last second exit up there. Oh, Nissan drivers. I love chicken. Jeez, how many people are going to turn after the light turns green here?
Really costs, then the solar option would look way
Red
better
runner.
than it does relative to it.
Over there, holy shit. Yeah, that Nissan driver, holy. Why do that? Just wait behind him. What? Okay. Red light runner. Every time. I think he's going to cheat the red light because he was tailgating me the whole time. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh yeah, blows right past his gas pumps and makes a left. There he is. And of course, he's still stuck there. Ha ha! This is why I hate this intersection so much.
So if I'm Bernie, if I'm his campaign, I make a point in every speech to bring this up. I make a
the
point
Honda's
where,
in the
when
wrong.
you're on
I don't
the
know why he
debate stage with
honks.
Trump, this is one of the go-to points you make.
Just think about it. So if you're around running, you don't have
Ran
it on
right
your
through
show,
the stop
but
sign.
you're not saying I don't like science. Science is bad. So.
What about Elizabeth Warren? She's not in favor of fully getting rid of medical
What?
debt and student loan debt. She's
Turn
not.
left from the right
Bernie
lane.
is. This is Trump admitting, I'm scared of Bernie.
It's here. The Apple credit card. Now I know.
Whoa.
I'm talking about this because.
Will you get out of my lane?
On the surface, it looks.
Go! 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 Really? Yeah, that stayed yellow for way too long. Red light runner. Oh, Opened up the demon. In me, red light runners, 2 of them. Chevrolet. What? Why would you move over there?
Because it's too
You got a
insane,
yield sign.
and
What
it's
the
just
hell?
Too much. Trump attacking Nancy Pelosi, talking about impeachment, quoting Fox News.
Red light runner.
Spreading false, debunked conspiracy theories on behalf of Donald Trump. By giving him your airtime, you are allowing him to introduce increasingly unhinged.
What is up with that? Can I get a beanie like that?
That's all
Can
left.
I get a beanie? There you go. There you go.
Blinded by the
Jesus,
light.
fuck.
Here. The thing else is I think there were for tomorrow in which I'm going to be.
Nope.
In a video tomorrow.
They were
You know,
small
that-
ones.
That's just going to make.
Why'd they have us this close to fucking... This sucks. Why do they have these cones up? They're doing nothing to this bridge. Yeah, this guy's knocking some of them over. This is retarded.